In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Zapier. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier website, which is a fantastic tool for automating various workflows, agents, and apps. Once there, you'll notice the option to log in. If you have an account, you'll want to go ahead and click on the login button. From there, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This means you can link Zapier with your Google account, providing a seamless integration. Next, you'll be prompted to select your account. Just click on your account name and Zapier will guide you through a secure login process. You'll then see a Continue button. Click that to proceed. This will bring you to your Zapier dashboard. In this panel, you can manage all your projects, known in Zapier terms as Zaps. To proceed with sending emails using Zapier, you need to open your project or create a new Zap. Once you open your project, you'll see an option to add a step or action. What we're doing here is creating a sequence that automates the process of sending an email. So click on Add Step to move to the next setup phase. In the search bar that appears, type Email. You're telling Zapier that the action you want to include in your Zap is email related. When it appears from the dropdown, simply click on Email. You'll then be prompted to choose an event. The event you're interested in for this Zap is Send Outbound Email, so go ahead and select that. Once selected, you'll click Continue. Now it's time to configure the details of your email. First, specify the recipient by entering their email address in the To field. Don't forget to fill in the subject line for your email in the designated section. This is your chance to grab your recipient's attention. Next, direct your focus to the email body, which can be formatted in either HTML or plain text. If you want to add some visual elements or formatted text to your email, HTML is the way to go. Otherwise, plain text does the job just fine. If applicable, you can also add an attachment to your email. Zapier allows you to upload files that might be relevant to your message, such as documents or images. Once all this is set up, you'll click on Continue. This will take you to the testing phase where you can send a test email to ensure everything is working as planned. Testing is crucial as it verifies that your email will be dispatched correctly once your Zap is active. And there you have it, a fully functioning automated email setup using Zapier.